Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a DA211 transmission and a bar and chain. And we get a close-up shot of this transmission. It is missing the handle, the grip right here. It does turn over. And that bar and chain, the bar's in, it's got surface rust. It needs to be cleaned up. But the chain has got a couple of tight spots too. But I have to be worked on a little bit. A little tight on a couple of spots. And overall, that bar is 51 inches from tip to tip. And this is off that Disston chainsaw. And if you're needing some parts for your Disston, this might help you out a little bit.